Hey everyone, Notorious Squirrel here, and I have just received a wonderful little box of tricks from Hack5 from Darren. And let me just say that thank you, Darren. Thank you for helping me out so much. I absolutely appreciate it beyond words can say. So let's get this open, and I hope I can do it proud. So what have we got? Well, we can all see what we've got. We have got a Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Again, a lovely bit of kit. I've already been playing with these quite a bit recently. Been doing payloads and various different things. Did a little theme, so check out my previous videos for them. But this thing is, when I first got this, I thought it was going to be good. But since getting it, it's been way more than what I expected. It is just incredible, along with the community, how everyone's kind of seems to have got together, with the lives that Darren does for the pull requests. It just feels like it's one big adventure that we're all part of, and we all seem to be learning and sort of helping each other out. On the Hack5 Discord channel and on some of the other Discord channels that I'm on as well, have even started up their own Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager channels for this, and it just feels like no matter what Discord you go onto, somebody's talking about this product and everybody's happy with it. I've not really come across anyone that's had an issue at all with it. It's remarkable, in the way that Hack5 have done it and executed it is brilliant. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Before I get too excited with that, I've also been sent the glitch mods. So we have got the Ethernet mod, the GPS mod, and the mesh mod. So we'll open those in a second as well. And then what is this extra little bit of happiness? And I've also been sent the Hack5 bandanas. I will wear and use these with pride. These are really artwork on these. How cool are those? We've got our packet squirrel, our Wi-Fi pineapple, our land turtle, our rubber duck. Yeah, how sick is that? The artwork for this is awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that no end. Will those prop up there and look cool? Happy days. So, Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Again, for me, there is only one colour. So, in the box that you get your pager and you get your clip. And I've done some 3D printed other clips as well. I've just seen Just Call Me Coco's released a MagSafe clip as well. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Yellow team all the way. I wouldn't want it any differently. So we'll get that on charge and we'll get that sorted. I'm not going to do a setup video or anything like that, because two friends of mine, Man in the Mayhem and Ogsec, have done wonderful videos which I'll put in the description, that give you all your sort of hints and tips and what you may need to do with that. So I'll put a link into them. Check out Man in the Mayhem and Ogsec for those set videos, because they're fantastic and they've done an insanely good job. Next, Ethernet, mesh and USB, GPS. Let's open this one first. Obviously Meshtastic is imminent. It's not been released just yet for the pager, but it's imminently coming out. And yeah, I've seen a few videos on this already, the mesh mod, and yeah, the printed finish on that is very nice. Very nice board as well, and it is good how they just sort of plug in and that just sort of clicks around. It feels nice and sturdy as well. Yeah, that's seriously cool. We like that a lot, and I'm a big fan of mesh as well. I've done other videos on Meshtastic, so if you've not seen those, have a look at those. I've got a few more projects and other things in the pipeline for that. And then the Ethernet mod, there's already some exceptionally good payloads that have been developed for the Ethernet mod. There you go. Plug that in, get your Ethernet in, direct end mapping and various other things. Look at that. Yeah, there's some really cool payloads straight out of the download. The payload store, the payloads, pre-done payloads now for that as well, which that's cool. Can't wait to run and test that. And then this is the one also that I've been super looking forward to as well, because I've been doing some tests and running bits as well myself for the Wardriving. Again, already done some videos on the Wardriving, so really looking forward. I've been using a U-Block 7. I've had about 3 different ones up to now, and with various outcomes to it as well. Sort of, they are very unstable, but these ones do look cool. Like, it's a nice solid mod. It looks really good. A really nice antenna it's got on there, and that clicks in nicely. Obviously, one of the criticisms at the minute is that yes, that does go over the power supply, which is limiting to your Wardriving capabilities. But one thing that I am going to do is Just Call Me Coco has done a mag ring clip as a 3D print. I'm going to do that because I want to basically bang that together. But then what I also thought is, a lot of time, if I'm doing like a war walk and I'm walking around, like, that's not going to be practical for me. I want this in a side pocket on a rucksack, and I want this sticking out. So what I thought is get that there, get that there, and then we have got an extended doobry that goes straight into there, and we're away. Look at that. If I get a mag clip for that now, that sits in the rucksack, that sits outside of the zip, everyone's happy. So for anyone that has bought that and has got a little data USB extender, there you go. Just flop it on an extender, jobs are good. And obviously I am aware that that does look really nice on there, but for practicality I'm not walking around like that, am I? Unless it's in my car, it's kind of not needed. One thing I would say for this though is it would be good for the next version of this. Obviously, if you're going to plug it in, do it in a way that you can get your power supply, or a little additional USB direct line, sort of just put one there. But also as well, have it so you can extend it out. And again, for me, even a longer, because I've got a longer one as well, like 1.5 meters one. I want a clip on this. Put a clip on it so I can clip it to my rucksack, or I can clip it to the outside of a pocket, or clip it to something similar to that. I want, if you're listening, Darren, I want that on there like that, and then I can boop boop boop, jobs are good, and I can clip that on the outside of something, and we're good to go. And I can walk to my heart's content. But yeah, for the time being, I'm going to use that little extender and my MagSafe, and jobs are good. But yeah, happy days. That has made my day, that, and I can't wait to start testing these, especially this one as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Peace.
You are tuned into the Notorious Squirrel. To the Notorious Squirrel.